Hey, welcome back to Godlan TechToks. I'm your host, Garrett Kramer. Godlan TechToks are here to tackle those hard questions that our customers, our partners, and our consultants bring to us on a regular basis. The whole hope of these Tech Talks is to shine some light on some of the questions that you might be dealing with in your own evaluations. Today, we have a very good question that came in from one of our partners, and it's how do we measure the ROI of implementing ERP? Well, great question, and it's a one that every single customer and prospect that we work with wants to know. Couple things that are key here. Success is dependent on what your business goals are. So what do you want to achieve? And once we know what we want to achieve, then we can back into how we get there. The things that are going to play into an ROI are going to be what pieces of the software are you going to buy? How much is that going to cost? What's the time to value from purchase of the software to using it? What different departments are they going to be using, and how is it going to impact your existing processes to produce better outcomes, both internally and externally for your customers? Ultimately, we work with the Infor Sightline Cloud Suite Industrial ERP, and this specific ERP is built for small to medium business manufacturers, and it's packaged with all sorts of smart functionality to help us integrate better with third-party applications, extend the use case of the different modules that we use and the different suites that are a part of this solution so that we can help you deliver your competitive advantage to the marketplace. It supports continual change. Infor does 2 major releases every year, one in April, one in October, with bug fixes and hot fixes along the way. But we always measure ROI on the outcome after the project's completed. So we look at the total cost to purchase the licenses, we look at the implementation costs, and any ongoing support costs that might go to optimizing your usage. And we'll package that all in with where are you at today? And then what does it look like 2 or 3 or 4 years down the road after implementation? Have we impacted your top line, your bottom line, efficiencies in certain departments, and other areas of your business? At Godlan, we're focused on outcomes. We want to be a partner that walks alongside you so that you can grow better and faster. Thanks for joining. If you want to learn more about Godlan, you can click on this QR code over here or check us out at godlan.com. Again, I'm your host, Garrett Kramer, and we'll see you next time on Godlan Tech Talks.